At first glance, these leafcutter ants may look like simple foragers hauling vegetation back to their nests, but a closer look reveals something extraordinary. The ants, also known by their scientific name of Atta colombica, are not eating the leaves at all. On the contrary, they are farmers, and one of nature's most impressive examples of ecosystem engineering. These videos showed us a tiny fragment of an enormous operation. Leafcutter ants cut and transport pieces of foliage over distances of over 2,000 meters per year to underground chambers where they use this material as a substrate to cultivate specialized fungal gardens that produce food for them. The ants meticulously tend to their gardens within their nests. Using fresh leaf matter, they nurture the growth of a fungus called, okay, be patient with me while I attempt this name, Leucogericus goggliophorus, and remove waste. In return, the fungus provides food for the colony by producing gonghlioidea, specialized structures that the ants and larvae can eat. This is a prime example of mutualism, but it extends beyond that into ecosystem engineering. This is a term that was introduced by Jones et al. In 1994, and they describe ecosystem engineers as organisms that cause a biologically mediated habitat modification, or in simpler terms, animals that impact the world around them. There are two categories the authors describe: autogenic engineers, organisms that use their own physical constructions to alter the environment, and allogenic engineers, who transform biotic and abiotic materials from one state to another and affect the habitats of other organisms around them, in our case, the fungus, whose name I will not be attempting again. But the effects of the ant's behavior don't stop at fungus. In fact, a study published in 2011 found that the farming and nest building behaviors exhibited by Atta colombica alter the surrounding microclimate so severely that there has been an observable impact on seed germination, plant growth, and seedling survival in areas of nearly 200 meters on average surrounding the nests, which themselves can span several meters underground. The tunneling the ants perform to build these massive structures helps to aerate the soil, further influencing their surroundings. These tiny little farmers impact the ecosystem in major ways, shaping the tropical forest around them from the ground up. Considering this, farmers may even be the wrong descriptor. More aptly put, they are environmental architects who alter their habitat in ways that support not only their survival, but the ecological balance of the rainforest.